Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi everybody. My name is Muazzam bin Yahaya ruddin. My Matrik number is 2024251194. So, I would like to tell you guys about cardiovascular system. Alright, without any further ado, we go into the introduction. So, the cardiovascular system is the organ system that transport material to and from all the cells of the body. The material carried by the cardiovascular system include oxygen from the lungs, nutrients from the digestive system, hormone from the gland of the endocrine system, and waste material from the cell throughout the body. Transport of this and many other material is necessary to maintain homeostasis of the body. What is homeostasis? Homeostasis is referred to the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment despite external change, and it also ensuring optimal condition for cell function and survival. For example, maintaining temperature, pH value, fluid balance, and blood glucose. We're entering to the next page, which is main component of cardiovascular system. So the first one is heart. Heart play a vital role in our cardiovascular system. So it consists mainly of cardiac muscle tissue and a pump blood through blood vessel by repeated rhythmic contraction. What is rhythmic contraction? It refers to the regular and repeated cycle of muscle tightening and relaxing, often seen in the heart and digestive system. The function for this contraction is they like using pumping blood, moving food through the digestive tract, delivering oxygen and nutrient throughout the body. So I would like to show to you guys about our four main chamber inside our heart. The first one is left atrium and left ventricle, because our heart is cenderung or like to go more to the left side. Can we see on the picture? It move a little bit left, and on the right side we have atrium and ventricle. So how about the left side and the right side? So let me tell you guys. The right side collect and pump deoxygenated blood, while the left atrium and left ventricle collect and pump oxygenated blood. So why you have two chamber on the one side? So let me tell you guys the difference of the atrium and ventricle. So atrium is the upper chamber of the heart that receive blood, while the ventricle are the lower, more muscular chamber that pump blood out of the heart. So that is the difference. So we go to the next slide, which is four valve. We have pulmonary valve, tricuspid valve, mitral valve, and aortic valve. So I will tell you guys the function of this valve even have four different names, but they play a same role, same function, which is ensuring blood flow in the correct direction through the heart chamber. So it's very important. It act like one-way door. So that is the function for the valve. So we move to another main component of cardiovascular system, which is blood vessel. So blood vessel of the cardiovascular system are like a network of interconnected in one way that range from superhighway to back alley. Like a network of road, the blood vessel have the job of allowing the transport of material from one place to another. They seem like a heart, play a essential role, which is circulating blood throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrient to tissue while removing waste product. They also play a crucial role in regulating blood pressure and the body temperature. So inside a blood vessel, we have three main type of blood vessel, which is artery, veins, and capillary. Those of those of blood vessel play a specific function. So let me tell you guys about vein. It's defined as a blood vessel that carry blood toward the heart, and blood traveling through vein is not under pressure from the beating heart. It get heart moving along by the squeezing action of skeletal muscle. For example, when you are walk and breathe. To make it more understandable, a vein return the oxygenated blood from the body tissue back to the heart. They also contain a valve to prevent backflow of blood, especially in the leg, where blood need to move against gravity. So the next thing is artery. Is defined as a blood vessel that carry blood away from the heart. Blood flow through artery largely because it is under pressure from the pumping action of the heart. This artery carry the oxygenated blood from the heart to the lung, where it pick up oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Different from the vein, which is artery, carry a oxygen-rich blood from the heart to the rest of the body. They are strong and elastic to withstand the high pressure of blood pump from the heart. So we go to the next part, which is the last one in the blood vessel. It's about capillary. Capillary is the smallest blood vessel in the cardiovascular system. They are so small that only one red blood cell at a time can squeeze through a capillary, and then only if the red blood cell deform. Capillary connect artery and vein. Capillary generally form a branching network of vessels called a capillary bed. They provide a large surface area for the exchange of substance between the blood and surrounding tissue. As you can see, artery sit in the middle of the vein and artery. So why it sit on the middle of the artery and vein? So the function for this capillary is to exchange the oxygen, nutrient and waste product between the blood and the body tissue. Their thin wall allow for easy diffusion of substance. So we move to another slide, which is a function of cardiovascular system. So the first one is transport oxygen and nutrient. The heart pump blood through artery to deliver oxygen and nutrients to all part of the body. So as you can see based on the slide, cardiovascular system is very important and play a vital role in our heart. Look at the function. You have 5 function and more. If I put on this slide, it's gonna make a more time longer, so I will explain only a 5 thing that play and function on the cardiovascular system. So we go to another function, which is waste removal. So as you can see, the circulation system remove carbon dioxide and other waste product from cell, transporting them to organ for excretion. Cardiovascular also play a role in the immune system by transporting immune cell and antibody to fight off infection. It also cardiovascular also can play a vital role on blood clotting mechanism within the system, help to stop bleeding and promote wound healing. The circulatory system help maintain the balance of fluid and electrolyte in the body, which is crucial for a proper cell functions. So the last one for the function of cardiovascular is body temperature, which is the cardiovascular system help regulate body temperature by distributing heart from internal organ to the skin from cooling, and vice versa. So we enter into the blood flow of cardiovascular system. Inside blood flow of the cardiovascular system, it divides into 2 circulation, which is pulmonary and systemic circulation. I will tell you guys about the pulmonary circulation first. Pulmonary circuit is the path of circulation between the heart and the lung. Blood is pumped to the various places of the body by a process known as the cardiac cycle. Oxygen depleted blood return from the body to the right atrium of the heart by 2 large veins called vena cava. Electrical impulse produced by the cardiac condition cause the heart to contract. As a result, blood in the right atrium is pumped to the right ventricle. So what is vena cava? Vena cava is a large vein that returns the oxygenated blood from the body to the heart. It has two main parts, which is the superior vena cava, which carry blood from the head, neck, arm and chest. For the inferior vena cava, it also carry blood from the lower body. Both vena cava empty into the right atrium of the heart. We move to the next circulation, which is systemic circulation. Systemic circuit is the path of circulation between the heart and the rest of the body. After moving through the pulmonary circuit, oxygen-rich blood in the left ventricle leaves the heart via the aorta. This blood is circulated from the aorta to the rest of the body by the various major and minor arteries. What is aorta? So as we know, the aorta is the largest artery of the body and carry blood from the heart to the circulation system. So this is the picture for the blood flow of the cardiovascular system. As we can see, the pulmonary circuit in the upper, and for the systemic is in the lower, which is pulmonary circuit, circulation between the heart and the lung. For the systemic circuit, is circulation between the heart and the rest of the body. So we move to the next slide, which is abnormal conditions. Arteriosclerosis. Arteriosclerosis is disease where plaque build up inside artery walls and making them thick and stiff. This build up narrow the arteries, reducing blood flow. Over time, this can lead to a heart attack or stroke if blood flow is completely blocked. Treatment may involve lifestyle change and medication to lower cholesterol and blood pressure, or even surgery in several cases. Why this heart disease happened? It came from the high cholesterol, high blood pressure, diabetes, also genetic influence. So we move to another heart disease, which is angina. Angina is a chest pain or pressure resulting from inadequate blood flow to the heart muscle cell, depriving them of oxygen. This pain can also radiate to the back, neck, shoulder or jaw, sometimes accompanied by the shortness of breath, sweating, or nasal treatment focuses on the symptom relief and slowing the progression of underlying arteriosclerosis. What is the cause of angina? The most common cause is coronary heart disease. This is when the artery that supply your heart muscle with blood and oxygen are narrowed by a fatty substance called plaque. It means less blood flow to your heart muscle and can cause angina symptoms. So we can classify as a two angina, which is stable angina and unstable angina. What's the difference of the stable and the unstable angina? Stable angina is the predictable and usually occur during a physical exertion, relieved by the rest or medication. While the unstable angina is unpredictable, can occur at rest and may not be relieved by the rest or meditation, indicating a more serious condition. Already entering to our last page, which is conclusion. So what can I say is cardiovascular system is a vital network that play a crucial role in maintaining our overall health. It is responsible for transporting oxygen, nutrient and hormone to cells throughout the body while removing waste product. So it's very important to care about your cardiovascular system, because without this system you're not gonna live in this world. So that's all from me now, and I hope you understand, and I'm sorry for my language because not that good and I'm still learning. So I end this slide and video with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.